Let's see how to use the touchpad in Windows 11. Use one finger to move the mouse pointer. Touchpad right button and left button. Show more commands. Select an item. Tap the touchpad. Scroll, swipe up from the bottom of the touchpad with 2 fingers. And swipe from top to bottom. Zoom in or zoom out. Place 2 fingers on the touchpad and pinch in or out. Copy text. First, select the left button with 1 finger and pinch with the other finger. Click the right button on the touchpad and copy. Click the right button on the touchpad and paste. Switch between open apps or windows. Swipe 3 fingers left or right on the touchpad. To see all open windows, swipe up with 3 fingers on the touchpad. To see desktops, swipe down with 3 fingers on the touchpad. To change desktops, swipe left or right with 4 fingers on the touchpad. Open Cortana, tap with 3 fingers on the touchpad. Open Action Center, tap with 4 fingers on the touchpad.